Welcome to our journey through the world's largest zoos. These sprawling landscapes are not just homes to animals from every corner of the globe. They are arcs of conservation, beacons of education, and windows into the breathtaking diversity of life on Earth. Today, we'll explore the top 10 zoos that are not only vast in size, but also dedicated to conservation and education. Here in the heart of the American Midwest, where rolling hills meet expansive grasslands, lies the wilds. It is a testament to the power of conservation, a vast expanse dedicated to providing a safe haven for some of the world's most endangered species. Spanning nearly 10,000 acres, the wilds is a world away from the traditional zoo experience. Here, animals roam freely in sprawling open-range habitats, mimicking the natural environments they would inhabit in the wild. Watch as a herd of American bison thunders across the plains, their hooves kicking up dust in their wake. Observe the majestic presence of a southern white rhinoceros, a symbol of conservation success. Our journey takes us now to the southern tip of India, where amidst the lush greenery of the Tirumala Hills lies the sprawling expanse of Sri Venkateswara Zoological Park. Encompassing over 5,500 acres, this remarkable park stands as a testament to India's rich biodiversity and its commitment to conservation. Here, within this verdant sanctuary, the air hums with the sounds of the forest. Monkeys chatter from the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees. Sri Venkateswara Zoological Park is renowned for its focus on Indian fauna. It's a haven for creatures found nowhere else on Earth, from the elusive Indian leopard to the lumbering sloth bear. The park is a tapestry woven from diverse habitats, from dry deciduous forests to sparkling water bodies, each one home to a unique array of flora and fauna. Our journey now takes us across the globe to the sun-kissed coast of Southern California, where the San Diego Zoo Safari Park awaits. Spanning over 1,800 acres, this sprawling park transports visitors from the bustling city to the heart of the African savanna. Imagine yourself cruising through vast enclosures, the sun warm on your face, as giraffes gracefully graze on acacia trees and a crash of rhinoceroses wallows in a nearby mudhole. The air crackles with anticipation as you approach a pride of lions lounging in the shade, their golden coats blending seamlessly with the dry grasses. But the San Diego Zoo Safari Park is more than just a safari experience. It's a global conservation leader, actively involved in breeding programs for endangered species like the California condor and the Sumatran orangutan. We venture now to the heart of North Carolina, where amidst the rolling hills and sprawling forests lies the North Carolina Zoo. Boasting over 2,600 acres of curated habitats, it stands as the largest natural habitat zoo in the world. Walk beneath towering pines, where black bears forage for berries and elk bugle through the crisp air. Cross continents to the African plains, home to elephants, zebras, and giraffes against the setting sun. The North Carolina Zoo is a symphony of sights and sounds, a place where every sense is engaged. Beyond the experience, the zoo champions conservation, protecting fragile ecosystems. Our global safari continues as we touch down in the heart of South Australia, where a different kind of wilderness awaits. Monarto Safari Park. Stretching across a remarkable 1,500 acres, this sprawling sanctuary offers a glimpse into the rugged beauty of the Australian outback and beyond. Here, vast open plains stretch towards the horizon, painted in hues of ochre and gold. Kangaroos bound across the grasslands, their powerful legs propelling them with effortless grace. A mob of emus struts through the scrub, their prehistoric appearance a reminder of Australia's ancient lineage. But Monarto is more than just an Australian wildlife park. It's home to a diverse collection of animals from across the globe, all thriving in spacious, naturalistic habitats. Observe the endangered chimpanzees as they navigate their forested enclosure, their intelligence and social complexity on full display. Our journey now takes us to the bustling metropolis of Chennai, India, where amidst the urban sprawl lies a green oasis, the Arinyar Anna Zoological Park. Established in 1855, it holds the distinction of being India's first public zoo. Spanning over 1,500 acres, Arinyar Anna Zoological Park, also known as Vandalur Zoo, is a sprawling sanctuary for over 1,500 animals representing nearly 160 species. Walking through the park, you'll encounter a tapestry of habitats, carefully designed to replicate the animals' natural environments. Wander through dense forests, home to elusive leopards and sloth bears, their presence hinted at by rustling leaves and the occasional glimpse of fur. Stroll alongside serene lakes where graceful pelicans glide across the water and crocodiles bask on the muddy banks. But Arigna Anna Zoological Park is more than just a zoo. It's a beacon of conservation, actively involved in breeding programs for endangered species like the Indian lion and the white tiger. Our journey takes us next to the heart of Canada, where nestled within the bustling metropolis of Toronto lies a testament to global biodiversity, the Toronto Zoo. Spanning over 710 acres, this sprawling park invites visitors on a journey through diverse ecosystems, from the lush rainforests of the Americas to the arid deserts of Africa. Step into the humid air of the Indo-Malaya Pavilion, where tigers prowl through dense foliage and orangutans swing effortlessly through the canopy. Feel the chill of the tundra trek, home to polar bears, Arctic wolves, and muskox, their thick coats a testament to the harsh conditions they endure. The Toronto Zoo is a symphony of sights and sounds, a place where every corner reveals a new wonder. But the Toronto Zoo is more than just a collection of animals. It's a center for conservation, education, and research, actively involved in breeding programs for endangered species and conducting vital research to better understand and protect wildlife. Our exploration of the world's largest zoos takes us next back to the American Midwest, to the vibrant city of Columbus, Ohio. Here, amidst the rolling hills and lush greenery, lies the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium, a sprawling 582-acre testament to the power of conservation and the enduring bond between humans and animals. Step into a world of wonder as you wander through diverse themed regions, each meticulously designed to replicate the animals' natural habitats. Journey through the dense jungles of Congo Expedition, where gorillas roam freely and okapi gracefully navigate the undergrowth. Venture into the heart of Australia and the islands, home to kangaroos bounding across open plains and koalas lazily munching on eucalyptus leaves. The Columbus Zoo and Aquarium is a feast for the senses, a place where every turn reveals a new and exciting encounter. But the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium is far more than just a collection of animals. It's a champion for conservation, actively involved in over 70 conservation projects around the world. Our journey takes us now to the heart of one of the world's most iconic cities, New York City. Amidst the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets lies an unexpected oasis, a testament to the enduring power of nature, the Bronx Zoo. Spanning 265 acres, this urban sanctuary provides a refuge for over 4,000 animals, representing over 650 species from around the globe. Step through the iconic wrought iron gates and enter a world of wonder. Wander through the lush Congo gorilla forest, home to a troop of critically endangered western lowland gorillas, their intelligence and social complexity on full display. Journey to the rugged landscape of Tiger Mountain, where Amur tigers, the largest cats in the world, stalk through the undergrowth. But the Bronx Zoo is more than just a collection of animals. It's a leading force in wildlife conservation and education, actively involved in breeding programs for endangered species and conducting vital research to protect wildlife and their habitats. Our final destination on this grand tour of the world's largest zoos takes us to Omaha, Nebraska. Here, we discover the Henry Doorly Zoo and Aquarium, renowned for its innovative approach to recreating diverse ecosystems. Step inside the world's largest indoor rainforest, the Light Jungle, with lush vegetation and cascading waterfalls. Encounter pygmy hippos wading through shallow pools, and watch spider monkeys swing through the canopy. Venture next into the Desert Dome, recreating the arid landscapes of the world. The Henry Doorly Zoo is a testament to human ingenuity in urban conservation. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world's largest zoos. From the sprawling savannas of Africa to the lush rainforests of South America, we've witnessed the remarkable diversity of life on Earth and the vital role that zoos play in conservation. These institutions are more than just tourist attractions. They are arcs of preservation, sanctuaries for endangered species, and beacons of hope for a future where both wildlife and humanity can thrive. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious about the natural world.